What's up, Mr. Landlord here. Hey, I want to talk real quick, very candidly to all you landlords out there that own rental property here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Do you have tenants that are destroying your rental property? Do you have tenants not paying rent on time? Do you have tenants or maybe even squatters in your house? Hey, I can help you out. Mr. Landlord can definitely help you out with that. Reach out to me. Love to help. I got my ambulance coming by right now. As you can see, it's about to pass by. Trying to interrupt my video. But I just want to let you guys know that Mr. Landlord is here for you. This is a video that I'm recording as I'm walking down the street. Just got that haircut. Feeling pretty good about myself. And today, excited to help some landlords. I got a couple of meetings today with a few landlords here in the Dallas area that are looking to stop self-managing their property, want to hire a professional. Looking forward to chatting with them. But if you need my help, reach out to me. I have all my contact information at the end of this video. Reach out to me, inbox me, send me a message on LinkedIn. I'll holler.